Yeah.
My name is Edita Hanna Basista. I was born in communist Poland. Child who understood what government tyranny looks like. I came to America believing that the Constitution is our nation's supreme law. Yet for the past 5 years, in Wake County, North Carolina, I have lived the same tyranny I once escaped. Before all of this, I was a top producing loan officer in New York City. When my children were born, I dedicated my life to them. I have not seen my girls since February 2024, now concealed with the help of connected attorneys, including State Senator Sidney Batch and former Judge Thomas Wilson and his partner Kelly Green. My ex-husband, with the help of Wake County family law industry, left me homeless and without any means to survive in the middle of the COVID pandemic. Early in my case, I uncovered the fraud in the court filings and procedures. The system functions as a RICO enterprise and must be treated as such, in addition to the civil rights violations. The state courts have closed their doors to me. They no longer recognize the U.S. Constitution as our nation's supreme law. I have been wrongfully arrested twice since 2020 for charges that never legally existed. The first case was dismissed and expunged. The second arrest came on September 11, 2024, ordered by my ex-husband's attorney, Yvonne Hopkins, and a political candidate with many friends in the local government. Hopkins had access to my medical records and arrested me on 9/11 because of my 9/11 terrorist attacks PTSD. I was kidnapped from my home without a phone, without proper clothing or shoes. My bail was $10,000 and my DNA was taken. I was convicted for quoting scripture and saying that God's justice will prevail. Those actions violate my 4th, 6th, 8th, and 14th Amendments. Judge Julie Bell refused to adjust my excessive and out of guidelines child support obligation, even after medical proof of spine injury, leaving me with untreated until now spine surgery. In the first 3 years, I have spent over $90,000 fighting for my children. I had to declare bankruptcy. I lost my license as a loan officer, my home, and my career. I am a disabled immigrant woman with hardly any family in the United States. I am now suing 18 different individuals in federal court, judges, lawyers, police officers, therapists, visitation supervisors, and my former spouse for violating my civil rights under 42 U.S. Code 1983, 1985, and 1986, along with ADA and VAWA. I stand as pro se plaintiff at 7 court venues because truth and the Constitution are my only defense. The corruption of family courts and attorneys trickles down to the taxpayer. I estimated the people of North Carolina spent about $25,000 on my wrongful arrest. I am now on food stamps and Medicaid, and I have applied for disability due to complex PTSD and an untreated spinal injury. I am a capable, educated woman who should not be forced into public assistance because of a divorce. This is a hidden cost of judicial corruption paid by every taxpayer in this country. Despite everything, I have also seen good judges, and I even defeated a fraudulent termination of parental rights. But my children still suffer every day, not knowing where their mother is. For nearly 2 years, they have been kept away from me and most likely told that I abandoned them. That is a criminal child abuse. That is why I stand behind the Family Justice and Accountability Act. It restores federal supremacy over rogue state courts. It endorses ADA and VAWA protections. It ends misuse of immunity and demands accountability. Judicial power ends where constitutional rights begin. No parent should lose their children's freedom or health to a corrupt court. No survivor should ever again be ordered to fund their own abuse. That ends here. That ends now with the Family Justice and Accountability Act.